In the world of food choices, there is a well-kept secret, a mystery hidden behind the green leaves and fresh flavors. Today, we will unveil this enigma of nutritious and healthy salads for weight loss with many health benefits. Get ready for an enlightening journey where each dish is more than it seems at first glance. Let's begin our exploration. Recipe 1: Revitalizing Green Salad. Ingredients: romaine lettuce, a fiber-rich and antioxidant-rich base. Fiber aids in digestion and keeps you satisfied, while antioxidants combat free radicals. Cucumbers, hydrating and low in calories. Cucumbers provide a feeling of fullness without adding many calories to your diet. Avocado, a source of monounsaturated fats that help control appetite, as well as containing fiber that contributes to satiety. Grilled salmon, rich in lean protein that increases satiety and speeds up metabolism. Chia seeds, abundant in fiber, these seeds prolong satiety, regulate blood sugar levels, and aid in digestion. Preparation: mix the romaine lettuce, cucumbers, and avocado in a bowl. Add grilled salmon pieces. Finish with a sprinkle of chia seeds. Benefits for weight loss: lettuce and cucumbers are low in calories and rich in fiber, promoting satiety. Avocado provides healthy fats that control hunger and regulate insulin levels. Salmon is a source of lean protein that accelerates metabolism and burns calories during digestion. Chia seeds help regulate blood sugar and prolong satiety, preventing hunger spikes. Before we continue, I understand that you may be seeking an effective solution to achieve your goals even faster. This is where Live Pure comes in, a natural supplement that can be the ally you need. Don't waste any more time battling the scale. Click on the link in the first comment of this video and discover how Live Pure can transform your weight loss journey. Seize this opportunity now and start living the healthy life you deserve. Click and discover. Recipe 2: Green Energy Salad. Ingredients: fresh spinach, rich in iron. This superfood plays a crucial role in energy production and cell oxygenation. Iron also helps regulate metabolism. Grilled chicken, a source of lean protein that requires more energy to digest, speeding up metabolism and promoting calorie burning. Red bell pepper contains capsaicin, which stimulates increased energy expenditure and reduces appetite, as well as being rich in vitamin C, which enhances fat oxidation during exercise. Grated carrots, rich in soluble fibers. Carrots prolong the feeling of fullness and help regulate the insulin response. Chopped walnuts, with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Walnuts control insulin spikes, reduce hunger, and promote satiety. Preparation: arrange a bed of spinach on a plate. Add grilled chicken cut into strips. Spread red bell pepper and grated carrots. Finish with chopped walnuts. Benefits for weight loss: spinach provides essential nutrients for energy production and aids in cell oxygenation. Chicken is a source of lean protein that accelerates metabolism and promotes calorie burning. Red bell pepper controls appetite, and vitamin C enhances fat oxidation during exercise. Carrots regulate insulin, and walnuts control insulin spikes, reducing hunger and prolonging satiety. Recipe 3: Refreshing Detox Salad. Ingredients: chopped kale, rich in fiber. Kale promotes detoxification of the body and helps eliminate unwanted residues, contributing to weight loss. Pineapple cubes. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that facilitates protein digestion and reduces abdominal bloating. It is also a source of vitamin C, which aids in fat burning. Cucumber, hydrating and low in calories, cucumber controls appetite and provides essential nutrients for health. Sesame seeds, rich in fiber, minerals, and antioxidants, these seeds promote satiety and regulate metabolism. Yogurt-based dressing, yogurt is a source of probiotic protein that contributes to a healthy digestive system and efficient nutrient metabolism. Preparation: mix the kale, pineapple, and cucumber in a bowl. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Drizzle with the yogurt-based dressing. Benefits for weight loss: kale is a detoxifying food that helps eliminate unwanted substances and promotes weight loss. Pineapple improves digestion, reduces bloating, and contains vitamin C, which facilitates fat burning. Cucumber is a hydrating, low-calorie food that helps control appetite. Sesame seeds provide fiber and antioxidants that promote satiety and regulate metabolism. The yogurt-based dressing contributes to a healthy digestive system and efficient nutrient absorption, essential for weight loss. Recipe 4: Pure Protein Salad. Ingredients: steamed broccoli. Broccoli is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, with its fibers promoting satiety and aiding in digestion. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a source of high-quality protein that helps maintain muscles and speeds up metabolism. Canned tuna. In water, tuna is an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting satiety and fat burning. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and fiber that aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. Black olives. Olives are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that control hunger and promote satiety. Preparation: combine steamed broccoli, hard-boiled eggs cut into quarters, and drained tuna. Add cherry tomatoes and black olives. Benefits for weight loss: broccoli is rich in fiber and essential nutrients that promote satiety and aid in digestion. Eggs are a source of high-quality protein that accelerates metabolism and helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss. Tuna is rich in lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids that promote satiety and stimulate fat burning. Cherry tomatoes provide antioxidants that aid in digestion, while olives promote satiety with their healthy fats. Recipe 5: Vital Legume Salad. Ingredients: cooked chickpeas. Chickpeas are rich in soluble fiber that promotes satiety and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Cucumber, hydrating and low in calories. Cucumber helps control appetite and provides essential nutrients. Tomato. Tomatoes are rich in fiber and antioxidants that aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. Chopped red onion. Red onion is a source of antioxidants and fiber that aid in satiety and appetite control. Fresh basil. Fresh basil adds aroma and flavor to the salad, making it more enticing, and also offers antioxidant compounds that promote health. Preparation: mix cooked chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, chopped red onion, and fresh basil leaves in a bowl. Benefits for weight loss: chickpeas are rich in soluble fiber that promotes satiety and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing hunger spikes. Cucumber is hydrating and low in calories, helping control appetite and providing essential nutrients. Tomatoes are rich in fiber and antioxidants that aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. Red onion is a source of antioxidants and fiber that aid in satiety and appetite control. Fresh basil not only adds flavor to the salad but also offers antioxidant compounds that promote health and aid in weight loss. Now that you know the power of salads for weight loss, I understand you may be looking for an effective solution to reach your goals even faster. This is where Live Pure comes in, a natural supplement that can be the ally you need. Don't waste any more time battling the scale. Click on the link in the first comment of this video and discover how Live Pure can transform your weight loss journey. Seize this opportunity now and start living the healthy life you deserve. Click and discover. As we explore these recipes, it becomes clear how a well-prepared salad can be a powerful ally in pursuing a healthy lifestyle and the weight loss journey. Each ingredient was carefully chosen to maximize weight loss benefits. The secret lies in the balanced combination of fiber, lean protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients. Now that you have the necessary knowledge to make conscious and delicious choices, you are prepared to transform your diet and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember that a balanced diet, combined with regular exercise and healthy habits, is the path to a healthier and more active life. Keep exploring the world of nutritious salads and experiment with new ingredient combinations. Each meal can be an opportunity to take care of your body and enjoy the health benefits that healthy food provides.